No, you see, what we have done, what we have achieved before this, the unfortunate crisis in Jiribam, the last 4 or 5 months was totally peaceful, you know. I personally went to Guwahati, met leaders of the MAR, this and that with civil societies, and the two sitting were taken place in the Silchar between the Meiteis and the MAR peoples. They jointly agreed for peaceful coexistence, and that they jointly announced that MAR peoples and the Meiteis are all brothers, we should live together. Okay? And then the Jiribam and the Fazur were totally peaceful in the last 3-4 months. Similarly, in the meantime, the Thado, the oldest tribe, settler of Manipur, they have organized one seminar in Guwahati. They invited me, but due to the unavoidable circumstances, I was not able to present. But I sent my men, the chief Hill Areas Committee chairman, Rifu Gangmai. He himself take part. And when I'm coming back from I was there during that time. I was in Tawang. Then when I came back in Tawang, all the peoples of the Thados came and apprised me about the seminar, and they also honored giving one, the certificate to me. And they decided, the Thado community decided in the next day that they send out a press release saying that we support NRC and we support the peace initiative taken by the government of Manipur to live together jointly. That was the initiative which we taken up. And the Honorable Union Home Minister, under the purview of the Honorable Union Home Minister IB, and the party has invited both communities, elected members, sit together, discuss. Then above that, we also organize many meetings in Guwahati without me, through my honorable MLAs and the minister. They have sit several rounds of talk and interacted. So from the government side and from my side and from the central government side, we are always and we are seriously giving our effort to restore peace in the state of Manipur. Now also, just we are very unfortunate, and I condemn the incident taken place in Jiribam. Yesterday also we have a meeting of the all legislature of the NDA, and before that also we have the cabinet meeting, and we strongly condemn that kind of heinous crime against the women's, child's, whoever might be for any communities, but we condemn it. And I hope day and night the people of Manipur, the civil societies, and government machineries, honorable MLAs, minister, were trying to restore peace and normalcy again in the state of Manipur. So I think I want to request to the media friends and others concerned to help Manipur in bringing peace and normalcy, in spite of instigating to another and spreading false allegation and propaganda. We should stop it.